First of all, let me thank you on behalf of all the entire Northpointers for taking out time for us and sharing your wisdom and knowledge with us. In light of the questions we have for you today, shall we move forward?
Sure.
What is UX and how is UX being used in the industry?
So, what is UX? UX is like a framework, I would say, which we use for any sort of problem solving, for any sort of challenge that we face, whether it's personal life, professional life, the work we do. It's a framework for you to understand the problem deeper. As a human human behavior is such that we focus on the solutions to problems, but no one actually digs deeper to understand where the real problem lies. UX is something that helps you understand where the pain point is for this user, where is he not satisfied with the journey that he is, kind of taking in order to experience with some brand, or whether it's online journeys or offline journeys, whatsoever experience. How can you make that journey seamless, delightful, understand his pain point, solve for it? And that's how this framework kind of helps you solve the real problems. Because if your experience is delightful, you will definitely come back to that experience. You would want to relive that experience. If I would not be satisfied with any experience, I wouldn't come back. So user experience and this framework of design thinking kind of helps you achieve that seamless experience. And that is why you people are picking it up now, because they actually want to solve the real problems, the real user problems, than to be from solving things from a brand out perspective. It's more from a user in perspective. So that's where UX comes in.
So it plays a pivotal role in the life of the
does.
user. Okay, my next question is, what skills or knowledge did you learn throughout the program here in Northpoint that you found most useful in your career?
There are a lot of things I learned in Northpoint. One of the major things I would say was the fact that we got to kind of connect and network with a lot of industry experts and learn from them. So that skill of being out there, networking with people, making sure you're not shy when you have to talk to these industry experts. You want to solve problems, you come up with 10,000 questions, and they are there to help you out because they're here for the very same reason. So that skill of being people friendly and not being shy and not thinking whether my question is stupid or not, but just putting it out just to help you and guide you, that was a skill that I achieved here. Apart from the other educational learnings that we got from every industry expert, and I'd really want to thank Mr. Arvind Vinayak, who was the on-campus faculty for us, because I came in with a perspective of being a strategic planner, but he helped me kind of find my forte with his design, and he pushed me there, and he always said that it's never the end of the world. You can always try it and you can always succeed, but if you do something that you love, you will always amplify your growth. So really want to contribute all my success from Northpoint to him, as well as all the faculty members who came to teach us.
Okay, so my next question is, if you had to do it all over again, what would you do differently?
I think I wouldn't do anything differently, to be honest. I've had a beautiful journey with all my 50 peers here. I've made multiple memories with each of them. I've been lucky enough to connect with these industry experts and then kind of being in touch with them, who helped me in my journey of growth as of today. So I don't think I would change anything. But if I could do anything to kind of help and contribute towards my alma mater, I'm here. And I just want to make sure everyone gets to learn over here, from whether it's their alumni or the industry experts coming in. Yeah.
So I have a follow-up question from the last one. Tell us about your one thing or an experience at Northpoint that you absolutely love being a part of.
I couldn't say one. There have been tons of experiences, but again, like I reiterate, this is the only campus or only course which helps you connect with industry experts. So if you don't leverage that, then you are not doing any good, because you're getting a very good chance to do it. So that's the opportunity everyone has over here, which everyone should leverage. And that experience of getting to connect with these guys is another thing altogether. You get to learn a lot from people who are so knowledgeable and so in the stream that you get to know what's happening in the real world once you get out from here. So you're basically getting ready to get out from here and practice the actual practitioners.
Okay, ma'am, that is all for the interview. Thank you.
you.